Stay. Alright guys, welcome back for another video. As you can see, I just installed my clutch kit. Everything is torqued down. Flywheel 76 foot-pounds. Pressure plate has, what was this, 19? Yeah, 19 foot-pounds. Next step will be installing my gearbox in there. Hopefully I can just lift by myself and just whack it in there. That's I can come off. Just leave it down there for now. Make sure nothing gets in there. Yeah, as soon as I install my gearbox, and then I'm gonna concentrate on my engine bay. As you can see, I just took the ABS unit out, and it's gotta fix up my brake lines. I gotta make a few lines for the front ones. That goes to the master cylinder, and that goes to your brake. That one goes to your brake. I already put my valve, whatever the thing is, just put it in there. That's out of a non-ABS car. Yeah, as soon as I get this done, all the lines and stuff, just have to give it a clean. I might just as well just paint it as well, just like a matte black or something. And yeah, I paid for the clutch kit. How much I paid? $300. Stage 4, stage 3 clutch. eBay spec. see how we go. I might just end up changing the whole thing as well, the flywheel and the clutch kit. As you can see, my old flywheel was like about 8 kilos, and then the lightweight flywheel was about 4 kilos, I think it was. Yeah, it's about 4 kilos less than the factory one. Yeah, it was, just a little bit less than 8 kilos. I just put my stock intake manifold on just to get a inspection. For the inspection, hopefully I can get it so I can get number plate on this one, because that's I got it from overstate. So in Australia, when you get a car from overstate, you have to go to a special place to get a number plate. So they just check everything, make sure they meets the regulations as well. So for the D series, I ordered new head gasket, oil pump gaskets as well, outside oil pump gaskets as well. I already put my rear main seal in my rear main seal cover. If you guys know how this goes, just let me know in the comments. So that arrow goes on my thing, on my block, that arrow goes on the flywheel side. Let me know if it's right. Make sure I do it right though, because that's I just followed tire pistons. As you can see, tire pistons are always in the flywheel side, and factory pistons in the timing belt side. Face is timing belt side. So let me know in comments if I did it wrong or not. If I did it wrong, I have to pull it out and then spin it and then pull it back in. That should be just fine, I think. I'm not too sure. So this is it, boys and girls. I need the new tripod as well. I just kicked it out. It wasn't just staying. What else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, don't forget to put on zero once you use your torque wrench as well. As soon as you use your torque wrench, put on 0, so you don't stuff up the spring inside it. And my little one. Sweet. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and comment, subscribe, like. If you got any questions, just comment. I'll be answer any questions. Stay tuned for another video. I think I'm gonna work on my engine bay next video. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.